Can nature stop World War III? In history, man has been very adept at killing each other over resources, food, and land. At the current pace of technology and ways of killing people en masse has reached a terminal point in history. Now, this video is to bring about the idea that possibly nature could save us from our own destruction. See, as volcanoes are nature's circuit breaker on humanity's wanton evolution to become the superpower of the world, which can never be conquered. But we like trying. So my theory is that in this current state of the world, that we might be seeing a volcanic eruption that blankets the sky, stops all air travel, and basically pulls everyone's heads in for about 6 to 12 months. And if the starvation and ensuing crop damage and inability to do usual business doesn't result in turmoil, rioting, and deposing of all of the powers that be into a more peaceful state, then the other option is watching the hegemons fall, or the war that will be over in a couple of weeks, but the damage will be irreparable. So, just a theoretical hypothesis of what might happen, and yeah.